In this video, I want to fix our running sensitivity. So as you can see, when I start moving, it moves like crazy. So it's like the sway is just drastically and just super fast. So basically there's one way to fix that, and that is to go to our character, go to our character, our FPS template character component, and we want to change our movement component sprint speed. So I'll show you what that means here in the next video, where we actually set up the custom character movement component that is provided. But basically we want to set this to our maximum movement speed. So if we look at our character movement component that just comes with the character, and we go to, let's see, that would be under, is it walking? Maybe it's up here, it is walking. So our max walk speed by default is 600. So we want to set that to be 600 because that is our current max speed. So if we set it to 600, there we go. You can see it's a lot more natural as it scales properly with our actual movement. So that's basically what that controls. And there's not really anything else to add, but in the next video, we're going to work on importing, or not importing, but setting up our custom character movement component, which means we are going to have to change the parent class of this to be a custom C++ class in order to actually change the movement component. I don't believe there's a way to do this solely in Blueprint, but it is relatively straightforward, and I will show you every step of the way on how to do it. And this will give you control over doing things like sprinting and handling crouch movement speed and all that kind of stuff. It extends and does a lot of sprinting control for you. And again, because it's in the character movement component, the way it's set up, it has prediction and all of that stuff set up for you. So I'll see you in the next video.